Hello student, myself Rasmi Singh. Today I am here with another topics in large numbers. Our topic is rounding of numbers. Means you can round off the number at the place nearest to 10, 100 and 1000. To round off numbers, steps are: first of all, mark the period and the places. Second is identify the place to be rounded off. Means to say that at which place you want to round off the numbers. At the place of 10 or 100 or 1000. Number third is check the number just on the right of the place to be rounded off. If you have to round off to nearest 10, if the right digit is 5 or more than the 5, round off the next 10. If it is less than 5, the digit in the tens place does not change. It will be as it is and the digit in the ones place becomes 0. If you have to round off to nearest 100, check the digit on the right of the place to be rounded off. If it is 50 or more, the number is rounded off to the next 100. If it is less than 50, the 100 digit does not change and the digits in ones and tens place becomes 0. Similarly, if you have to round off to nearest 1000, check the digit just on the right of the place to be rounded off. If it is 500 or more, the number is rounded off to the next thousands. If it is less than 500, the 1000 digit does not change and the digits in ones and 10 place, 100 place becomes 0. Let us understand with an example that how to round off numbers. Look, there is an example. You have to round off the number 32,589 to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. First of all, the number is separated by separating the periods. Look, to round off to nearest 10, look at the digit at the ones place. At the one place there is digit 9 which is greater than 5. So nearest 10 is 90 in spite of 89. So the number is 32,590. If you have to round off this number to nearest 100, look at the digit at the tens place. There is the number 8 at the tens place and ones place 9. So the 89 is greater than 50. So nearest 100 is 600 and number is 32,600 to the nearest 100. If you have to round off this number to nearest 1000, look at the digit at the place of 100, 10 and ones. The digits is 5, 8 and 9. 5, 8, 9, 589 is greater than 500. So nearest 1000 is 1000. Means the number 32,589 to nearest 1000 is 33,000. Thank you.